Hey, it's like a small video. I'm trying to find out if there's a leak somewhere from my truck. One thing I did was I hooked up this piece. It's supposed to be for to drain out the oil. And then what I did was I cut a piece of this because it comes with the whole thing. But I cut a piece of this, put the cigarette there, ran this line onto the brake booster, ran it in there. Then all I do first, before you plug it in, turn it on, light it up, smoke it, and then put it in, and then just start using this thing. I was trying to see if I can find any leaks on the truck, but I cannot find any leaks, even though it's telling me that it's running lean on bank 2. And what I did was I checked this line, the line that goes over here to the purge valve, the line that goes over there to this one right here. There's no leaks there either, because there's one right here too. There's not one right there. And I checked over here, and I couldn't find any leaks either. It's kind of weird. I cannot find any vacuum leaks. So they told me that if it's running lean, that means that there's a vacuum leak somewhere, and I couldn't find it. I checked this part right here too, see if it's leaking through here. See if it's leaking through here, this gasket. I didn't see any leaks there. I checked this one. There was no leaks. I move it around. I don't see anything moving. This is the only thing that smokes. Other than that, there is nothing else where it smokes. I cannot find out where it is. There's this piece right here. That piece right there. And that wasn't leaking either. And then I saw this weird piece right there, and I thought maybe it was going to leak through there, but there is no leaks there either. I cannot find out where would that leak be, but it told me it was the bank 2 sensor 2. Trim level's pretty high, and I could not find it. So I have no idea where else I can check, unless I have a leaky injector maybe. But if it was, then it'd be telling me that I was running too rich. I'm not sure. But anyways, I just wanted to show you guys how to use an alternative way to use the smoke machine. You can actually use this right here. It's kind of hard for me to do it one-handed, you know. They're trying to open it and close it, but maybe I could do that. Let me pause it so I can light this thing up. It's kind of hard for me to turn on these cigarettes so I don't even smoke, but hang on. Anyway, so I just got it lit up right now, but if you do a lot more longer, then it'll work like this. But I'm trying to check right here, see if there's any leaks here. I don't see any. And check over here. Maybe the camera might be able to get it better. I don't know if I can't even see it. Somebody's trying to push this thing. Check right here. There's nothing there either. It's just hard trying to do it one-handed. Check over here. Use this thing. No. I don't know, it was smoking over here, but probably it's not pumping fast enough. That's not working. Checking this one right here too. Let me try and pump this fast enough right now. See, it's coming out right there, but I don't see any smoke coming out of there, or there, or here. Nowhere else other than that spot right here. Kind of weird. But anyways, oh, and then the freaking thing went inside. But anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. Just trying to show you guys how to use this machine. I'm gonna have to look and see what else would it be. So, but yeah, just letting you guys know how to use that thing. But yeah, works pretty good if you do have a leak. But yeah.